Welcome to Neat, your secure, organized place to store, search, and manage all your important documents. Whether you're scanning documents, saving contracts, or organizing years of paperwork, Neat helps you keep everything in one place, easy to find, and always accessible anywhere. In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials every new user needs to know so you can get set up quickly and start using Neat with confidence. Here's what we'll cover. We're going to look at understanding item types in Neat, getting files into Neat, building a folder structure that works and is scalable, and finally, we'll look at our recommended simple file upload workflow. So let's get started. Before you upload anything, it helps to understand item types. Item types tell Neat what kind of file you're saving, which helps organize your cabinet, power search filters, and ensures your information flows correctly into reports or integrations. If you're using Neat for document storage, then you'll most likely use the document item type. The document item type is perfect for everything non-financial, such as contracts, warranties, policies, agreements, and reference files. You'll also likely use the contacts item type. Use the contacts item type to digitize business cards and sync contact information with connected applications. You may also use the receipt item type. You can use the receipt item type to track your proof of purchases or expenses. In short, the money you've spent already. Your Neat receipts will flow into expense reports and accounting integrations. Use the bills item type to track things you owe money on and need to pay, like utility bills or vendor invoices. Once you've paid your bill, you can mark your bills as paid in Neat. Lastly, use the invoices item type to track money others owe you. Use the invoice item type when tracking revenue or payments you're expected to receive. Choosing the right item type ensures that you get the right fields and actions for each file, and it makes searching for and finding things easier later. Select your item types from the item type dropdown as you upload your files to Neat. There are 5 easy ways to upload files to Neat. And every file you upload to Neat is processed by our OCR processor, which automatically transforms all your files into keyword searchable documents. For physical paper, you can use the Neat mobile app or the Neat desktop app. With the Neat mobile application, you can turn your phone or tablet into a scanner in seconds. Simply open the app, tap Capture, and either take a photo or import an image from your photo gallery. It's a quick and convenient way to upload paperwork on the go. You'll need to install the Neat mobile application on your mobile phone or tablet in order to capture files. With the Neat desktop application, you can quickly digitize stacks of documents by connecting a supported scanner and scanning. Simply launch the app, connect your scanner, and scan your documents directly into Neat for fast, organized processing. You'll need to install the Neat desktop application on your Mac or Windows computer in order to scan files. There are 3 other ways to add digital documents to Neat. First, there's email forwarding. Every Neat account includes a personal @neatcloud.com email address that enables you to forward e-receipts or digital documents directly to Neat. And as a Neat pro tip, you can set email rules in your email inbox to auto-forward certain types of files to Neat. With importing, you can drag and drop PDF files or other images into Neat. During the import, choose an item type and folder for your file, and the Neat handles the rest. Lastly, for Windows users, Print to Neat lets you save documents directly into Neat from your web browser or from other applications like Word or Adobe. No physical printer is needed for Print to Neat. It's perfect for order confirmation pages or digital records you don't want to manually save first. You'll need to install the Neat desktop application on your Windows computer in order to print files to Neat. And no matter how you choose to upload your files to Neat, you'll always find all of your newly uploaded files in one place, the Needs Review filter. You can think of the Needs Review filter as your new files inbox. A good folder structure makes everything easier to find later. Here are our recommended best practices for creating a folder structure that works and is scalable. Start with broad, logical parent folders. Your top-level folders should represent the major buckets of your life or business, such as business or personal, or projects or family. And then you can add subfolders underneath. For documents you revisit quarterly or annually, the cleanest structure is to organize your folders into years. Storing them in year-specific folders means everything you need for a specific year is already grouped together and easy to export or share. Year-based folders are future-proof. Whether you have 50 files or 5,000 files, the structure scales neatly without needing to be reorganized over the years. Use consistent folder naming. Keep folder names clear and descriptive. Avoid vague folder names like miscellaneous. Keep it simple. Fewer folders is actually better for your database. You should avoid deep nesting and limit the number of subfolder levels in your folder structure. A healthy folder structure sticks to 2 to 3 subfolder levels. Organize the way you naturally search for things. If you think by client, organize by client. If you think by year, organize by year. Your structure should match how your brain looks for files. Separate business and personal files. This keeps things clean and helps with compliance and reporting. In Neat, you can accomplish this simply by creating a parent or top-level folder for each business and personal. Then nest your subfolders in each. Lastly, plan for growth. Ask yourself, will this folder structure still make sense in 2 years? Could someone else understand this folder structure instantly? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Once you've learned the essentials, installed any tools you need to upload files, and considered your folder structure, you're ready to start uploading files to Neat. Here's our recommended simple file upload workflow. First, upload your physical and digital documents to Neat using one or more of the 5 upload methods. Find all of your newly uploaded documents in the Needs Review Quick Filter, regardless of the folder you saved it in when you uploaded it. Open each file and check that the file details are accurate, and make sure that your file is saved in the right folder within your database. Add other tags to your file in the classification section. Adding other tags helps you to file, sort, and find files in your database with ease. Add notes to your file. File notes are included in keyword searches and will also help you locate files more quickly. Once you're done, save your file and move to the next file in the list. Once reviewed, items disappear from the Needs Review filter, keeping your workflow clean and organized. Work through your list of newly added documents, reviewing them for accuracy, adding classification tags and notes, and making sure they're in the right folder until you've reviewed all your newly added documents and the Needs Review Quick Filter is empty. And that's it. You're ready to start using Neat like a pro. With the right item types, multiple upload methods, and a folder structure designed around your workflow, you'll spend less time searching for documents and more time focusing on what matters. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Neat.